I just kind of want you to shut the hell up so I can get some sleep. Hello, this is the Lanky Lefty 27, founder of freecpapadvice.com and the forum freecpapadvice.com/forum. So I get a lot of questions and I get a lot of like, hey, have you heard of this? So there's apparently been an influx of sleep-related products on Indiegogo, and one of these items was the Silent Partner. And there's currently a campaign going on. So assuming that somehow you have access to YouTube and can watch us now, you are yet at the same time incapable of going to their website or their Indiegogo campaign on your own. So I'm gonna take you there, and together we'll explore. So now together we can go ahead and explore the Silent Partner, the Indiegogo campaign for Silent Partner. Now there's two things that I really want to draw your attention to first. The first being that Nathaniel Ayal, I think that's right, Nathaniel Ayal, from San Francisco, California, in the United States. There's something very interesting about San Francisco, and that is that it is full of techie nerds. So if you ever go to San Francisco and you look around, you can pretty much rest assured know that you're surrounded by techie nerds who also really know how to raise some money. Dude, that's impressive. Very impressive. I think with freecpapadvice.com, our donations for that same time period are that. Now, the second thing you're going to notice is way down at the bottom. Let's fly through it. Here we go. Pretty much at the very bottom. And this is one of the most important things when evaluating this. And people, come to my forum, come to my website, personal messages. Hey, what do you think of the Silent Partner? What's your opinion of it? Well, here it is. This pretty much sums it up because I deal with sleep apnea and sleep disorders. So, okay, here we go. I can sum it up, my opinion of it in 11 and 12. Is a Silent Partner a solution for sleep apnea? And, hats off to the people who are doing this. They're very upfront and honest about it. The product, I'm going to read what they say. The product is not a solution to sleep apnea. Silent Partner addresses the snoring noise only. Future versions will sense when a person has stopped breathing and will sound an alarm. Sleep apnea is a serious condition. Please seek treatment from a medical professional. Seriously, perfect. Well said. And, to be fair, this isn't exactly, they're trying to promote their product. They're not, all they're trying to do is silence the snoring. That's it. Nothing else. So I guess it's not really like a public service announcement where they're like, they have to do this. They're actually doing this of their own free will. And so again, hats off to them for not trying to mislead people, even though people seem to want to mislead themselves. So does Silent Partner affect my breathing? The product has no effect on your breathing. It does not block or open your nasal passages. The Silent Partner focuses on quieting the snoring noise. That's it. They make no other claims. So let's go ahead and go up and actually look at what this thing does. Pretty much what it is, this is the design right here. This fits around the person's nose, like you can see in this guy right here. And what it is noise. If you've ever worn noise canceling headphones, it basically just cancels out the noise that's inside of the bubble. And here's the bubble zone. I saw a video that they had where they have someone with a decibel meter, and they move it away, and sure enough, it gets a lot quieter. I don't know if it muffles it completely, but I have no reason to believe that this thing doesn't work as advertised, and that being your bed partner, this chica, isn't going to hear it. Uses a rechargeable battery. It's a hearing aid battery. Lasts all night. They show you here how noise cancellation. This is where it shows the decibels decreasing as it's moved away like 8 inches or something. Here's an interesting thing also. Since I've been hammering the AirRing, another Indiegogo campaign, AirRing being the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life that's not invented yet. But here's the difference between a company that is somewhat respectable, or I'll just say respectable, and the AirRing, which is just a complete scam. So these guys, they started technical development and filed a patent, proof of concept. And you can see right here, October of 2015, they got a prototype noise cancellation on snoring noise. They actually built it And then they did the Indiegogo campaign instead of airing. He was like, let's raise some money and then figure out what we're going to do with it. We can't figure it out. Vacation time. And last thing, here's 3 people. Now this guy is I think the main investor prior to the Indiegogo funding. And now Isaac Benzaquin, this is a guy, I know him very well. He is the guy that still has not donated to freecpapadvice.com. For shame, Isaac, for shame. After viewing this, as you can see, Silent Partner really is a souped up contraption, albeit kind of a cool one. You know, back in the old days, if someone was snoring like what my mom did to my dad before he got a CPAP, he'd snore, he'd do all that stuff. And my mom, they didn't have technology, but they did have thick pillows. And so my mom would, and that would silence him. And really, you can pay $65 or something for this thing, or you can just, you know, smother your spouse with a pillow. While we're here and on the subject, let's go ahead and talk about snoring. It's almost statistically everyone who has sleep apnea snores, but not everyone who snores has sleep apnea. And so that's why I give a lot of credit to the makers of this. Yes, they put it at the bottom of the page, but like I said, it's not really their job to solve all the sleep problems. What they're trying to do is solve the problem of people snoring for the bed partner. That's all they care about. You know, there may be another application to this product we'll talk about in a second, but that's all they're trying to do until they say, hey, you know, if you snore, you might have sleep apnea, so go check with a medical professional, check with a doctor. Done. Now head back up and look at our product. That's pretty much what they're doing, and I completely respect that. Very upfront about it. So that goes back to what this application for. So if you have a spouse who is laying there listening to you snore, and they're like, you know, their only thing is I just kind of want you to shut the hell up so I can get some sleep. I'm not judging you for that. I totally get it. But it would probably behoove you, just because of the health consequences of untreated sleep apnea, as well as quality of life issues, to go ahead and get it checked out first. If you get a clean bill of health and you're like, hun, I'm good, and I'm kind of sick of you putting that pillow over my head, that might be a great time to bring in the Silent Partner. You wear the thingy over your nose. It's adjustable. It's rechargeable. Kind of inexpensive considering all that. $65. I think it's a reasonable price. And creates the bubble of soundproofing around your head so they don't have to hear you snore. Really, why do anything else? I would totally recommend against surgery for simply for snoring when you could just wear a device like this. So in that regard, I like it if it's simply for snoring and you've already checked out sleep apnea and ruled it out as something that could be disrupting you. Anyway, that's it. That's my thoughts. Let me know what you think of that in the description box below. If you haven't already liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Like the video, give it one of those thumbs up, because that makes me happy, lets me know that I'm doing something special. So that's all I have for this. Hopefully you join my forum, freecpapadvice.com/forum. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel and share my channel with other people, either on Facebook or other social media. I'm really not a social media guru guy. I don't have a lot of time for that. And I'm kind of afraid of it. I don't like people knowing a lot about me, which is odd for a dude that's talking to a camera and is about to upload it. Odd. Any donations I appreciate. You can visit my Patreon, which is patreon.com/free CPAP advice. And really any support is helpful. Even you just watching this video and sharing it with others is plenty help. Thanks for watching. Bye.